In this video, I will show you how to create this interactive and animated folder PowerPoint template for your PowerPoint presentation. We will use the morphing transition as well, which requires PowerPoint 2019 or Microsoft 365. First, you want to add a background image. I use the website Unsplash for this, and because when I think of folders, I think of an office, and therefore I will use an office background. Paste this background into PowerPoint. Click on the background, go to picture format in the ribbon and go to transparency. And put the transparency on 65%. You then go to design in the ribbon and go to format background. Here, you play around with the colors and look which one of the colors looks the best with your background. Make sure you click on apply to all as well. After you finished your background, you go to Insert in the ribbon and go to the Shapes tab. Here, you select the rectangle rounded corners shape. This will be the part of the folder that will stick out. Spin it around 90 degrees to the left. Add a text to the shape, for example, folder 1, and make sure that the text is on top. You can do that by pressing Enter on your keyboard, and this will make the text go up. You then want to add another shape. Go to Insert in the ribbon again and go to the Shapes tab. You now choose the rectangle shape. You want to resize this shape and make sure that it stretches over the whole slide. And after you did that, you want to place the big rectangle shape a little bit over the rectangle rounded corner shape. And there will appear some red indicator lines, and that means that you're in the middle of the shape. And that is where you want to drop the rectangle. You can look on screen to see if you have the same as I have. And when you have the same as I have, you want to select both shapes, go to Shape Format in the ribbon and click on Group. You then want to click on Group again. And now that you have this group, you want to copy it as many times equally to the amount of folders that you want. For this video I will make 5 folders. You then want to select all the groups. Go to Shape Format in the ribbon and go to Align. Here you click on Align Center and Align Middle, and this will stack all the groups onto each other. You want to reposition the rectangle rounded corner shapes, but make sure that the big rectangles stay within the slide. Because they are in one group, you want to double click on the rectangle rounded corner shape and resize it and move it. You also want to customize the folders to give them a distinct look. And you can also change the names of the folders. You want to place all the groups as shown on screen. Make sure you only see the text, not the rectangles attached to it. Make sure you change the order of the slides. You want to have your last folder be on top and the first folder to be the lowest. You can do this by clicking on a group and sending it backward or forward. You may have to adjust more than one folder. Now, you want to create X amount of empty slides, depending on how many folders you have. You do this by going to Home in the ribbon and clicking on New Slide. Here, you can pick the empty slide. For now, we do nothing with these slides. We want to go back to your original slides with the grouped folders. You can't put a hyperlink on a group, but you can put a hyperlink on components within a group. You want to double click on the text of a folder and then you right click it. You can now add a hyperlink to a page by clicking on Link. Click on Page in this document and click on one of the slides that you just added. Every folder should link to a different empty page. After you did all the linking correctly, it's time to copy and paste. Press Ctrl A on your keyboard because this selects all the objects in the slide, and copy these objects into every empty slide. And you now want to move the folders around. Every empty slide represents one folder. You want to move the folders that have already been to the left. The folders that are yet to come stay to the right. This will create the interactive and animated effect. You can look on screen how I'm doing this. The last thing we want to do is add a morph effect. You want to select all the slides. You do this by clicking on the first slide, hold Shift and click on the last slide. You then want to go to Transitions in the ribbon and you want to add the morph transition to it. And finally, you want to add text to every folder so that it looks like a real PowerPoint presentation. And there you have it. I hope this video helped. Consider subscribing and I will see you next time.